felt the ground shake on that one. So here it is. Look at the size of that thing. Try to get a measurement across it. So that's about at the end. And if you look at this piece right here in my shadow, I mean, that's over 6 foot. 6 foot that way and about 4 foot this way. That thing is heavy. So we just got this John Deere. This is an 85G to the job site. This is our retaining wall project. If you haven't already seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description and a card up top for you to look at. But that's something different. This video is about this tree stump we're about to try to get out of here. This was it's covered in dirt, so it's kind of hard to tell. This was a big oak tree. And you can see, try to find the end of it here. So from right there to right there, it's about, it's at 25 inches. It should be light work for this machine, but we'll find out in a minute. Well, there you go, it's starting to move now. Hey Corey, reach out a little further, try to grab it a little lower. Yeah. There it is. Look at that. That's a monster. Oh no! Oh man, down in the trench. What are you gonna do? It's all right. He'll dig this out. We were planning on kind of ramping this whole side here. Then he'll be able to get somewhat closer. We don't want to get too close to that edge. There you go. There you go. Now get the bucket underneath this point out here. Keep curling. All right, grab it. There you go. He's gonna get it now. She's out of the trench. Well, I shouldn't have said that. Jeez Louise. Good thing we had to dig this spot out deeper anyway. Okay. Come on, baby. Nice.
Am I gonna hit that fence?
No, you're good. You're good. Woo! That's a big one right there. Go ahead, drop it. Woo! Hey, you want to get me out of here? Come down a little bit. All right. Let's take a quick little ride on the excavator. Kids, don't try this at home. Look at that stump. That thing is massive. It's hard to get a good grip on it with so much dirt. He's going to try to get the dirt off of it. Yeah, look at that. The machine's teetering. Move around a little bit. See the back end teetering there? That's a lot of weight. If it's lifting that up, like I said, that's a 20,000 pound machine. Nice. The ground shake on that one. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's the John Deere 85G ripping out a 24-inch. Well, it's 24 inches at the surface log or stump. That's removing a stump with a John Deere 85G. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.